Valeria. I'm an interior designer and a photographer who's been investing in the UK property market for over a decade. Originally a psychologist from Italy, I came to the UK where I lived as a tenant for over 15 years. Now I'm a landlord and I have a few projects under my belt. They go from slight spruce ups to full renovations with structural changes, and for each one of those projects I have managed to put on the market a property that gives me a rental income which is higher than the average for the local market. Today I work with other investors to help them do the same, to help them increase their returns by increasing the appeal of a property to potential tenants and buyers. You could say I work to increase the perceived value of a property so that the target market are willing to pay a little bit extra in order to live in that home. If you're thinking of putting a property on the market and you're serious about increasing your returns to the full maximum that that property can give you, then you should probably attend your next PIM meeting. I'll be sharing my knowledge and you will be learning a few truths about how applying interior design principles will give you better margins, what are the difference in costs between a better product on the market versus an average product on the market, and how can you stay on top of a competition in a market that raises its bar continuously. By the end of my talk, you will know exactly what to do to differentiate your product and therefore earning more money. I'm Valeria, and I look forward to seeing you at your local next PIM meeting.